And I may have noticed that many of the PSN users have complained that the PSN is down. I'm one of them. Yeah. So the error I was getting was uh, this one. The service is currently undergoing maintenance, and I could see that many of the people are also facing the same error over here. The error code is WS37397 for some of them, and some of them might have just got the error like myself. So all I got is just that the Sony Entertainment Network is currently undergoing maintenance. But the thing is, PSN is not under maintenance or whatsoever. It's actually up and running. But what they did was, you could see the NAT type 2, right? Most of the people who are facing this issue will be having the NAT type as type 2. So what is this type 2? So it's like uh, most of the ports that are necessary for the gaming will be blocked by the ISP, so that you'll be getting the type 2 NAT type. If you got NAT type 1, then you might be having all the ports unblocked, so there is no issues at all. Okay, so like I thought this was funny. It does only offline. Yeah, this is the second time in a month PSN is doing the same error over and over again. So how I solved it? The thing is, all you have to do is first you have to check whether your internet is working or not, and obviously from this error, you will be sure that your internet is working because the connection speed of download and upload will be available. So you're sure that your internet is working. For me, you could see PlayStation Network sign in failed, right? But what I got was successful. So for some people, it's showing us failed. This is the first error which I got like in the end of May or something. So I got the same error. I called Sony and they did nothing. Then I did something which indirectly solved the problem. For the past 2 days, I was dealing with some new error, so I thought the method which I found will not work. But you know what? It actually worked. So, what I did to solve this thing? It's nothing, it may sound crazy. I don't know the technical stuff behind it, but I am pretty sure it will work for you. So, you could see over here my PlayStation Store is not available in my system right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on my proxy. I'm using Browsec, but you can use whatever you want. Browsec is totally free. You can get it from Chrome Web Store. Now just see what will just happen. Okay. So now I have changed my location as UK, and I have reloaded the page, and you could see that the PlayStation Store will automatically open. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, so you are just changing your IP, and again you continue using your own IP. After the once the store reloads, it will just work smooth. Okay, so now what is the deal with accessing this on your computer and accessing your PSN? It does have all the relationship between them. So what you are doing is you are just giving the Sony that your account is accessible in some public IP. So the IP which was provided by the proxy server. So Sony will just get the public IP, and they will be considered that your account will be running from that one. But once you are changing back to your original IP, the block will be gone, and the PSN will be working smoothly. So this is just a theoretical idea which I was having over this concept, but I'm not sure how this is working. But it's working, guys. Believe me, just do it, and it will completely work. All the best, guys. Thank you.